We're back with a 1955 Buick Century 4-door Riviera. This is a absolutely beautiful car. It's even got the big boy on the window with the old order as you like. But better yet, we've got a surprise. We've got Harold, otherwise known as Bud, the original, or should not say original, second owner, still owner of this car. You want to tell us about this little thing, Harold?
Well, I bought it 38 years ago, and I'm ashamed to pay how much I paid for this car.
What did it cost 38 years ago?
38 years ago, it's right there on the sign.
This gentleman paid $3,000, $175 for this car in 1955.
When I bought it, I paid $2,900.
And this gentleman bought $2,900.
From the original.
You're the second owner,
Yeah.
from the original owner.
Yes.
Wow, it's immaculate. Has it been restored?
It had a new paint job 21 years ago because it was fading out.
Wow.
It's original color.
And can we see the inside?
Help yourself.
Beautiful. We got the big boy here set up.
Yep. And my wife and I went to all these drive-ins. Went to the shows.
The movies, the outdoor movie.
Yes.
Were you in the front seat or the back seat?
Front seat.
Front seat. Ah.
I was married. Yeah, but it's completely original.
Beautiful inside. Everything's original in here. Wow. And these are the original manuals and pamphlets and books?
Yes. Look at the ceiling.
And the ceiling looks impeccable. Wow. Is this the original plastic covers on it?
Yes.
Wow. I can see the little discoloration. That's why I asked if they're original. Of course, we got to have the big boy here. And if you take a look at this picture on the coffee mug, that is his wife right there, and her name is Grace. Bless her heart. At the time, you must have been the big boy?
Yes, and we called this car, I called the car Gracie. My wife's name was Grace.
Really? You got Marilyn Monroe behind you.
Yes, sir.
You got Marilyn Monroe behind you.
I've always had that. I always put people here.
I love it.
And yeah, you can walk around the car.
Historic vehicle, Arizona.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Now, we'll open up the door. This is a 4-door hardtop, which is rare now.
Wow, you even got the old straps for the back seat, people to grab. The interior is beautiful. And it's definitely not for sale.
No.
There's a nice view of the dashboard, the inside. Wow. And Bud, right? Or Harold?
Bud.
Actually from Canton, Ohio.
Yes.
I'm from Akron. Beautiful car. Great view. This is at the Laughlin Auto Museum in Laughlin, Nevada. Thank you, sir.